Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install IntelliJ. For that you need to install Java JDK. Let us see whether you in your computer you have Java JDK or not. First off, you have to go to the command prompt cmd and write down here Java version, enter. It shows that Java is not recognized as internal or external command. That means it's not installed on your computer. So to download this, we have to go to the browser and then write on the google.com, where you can search Java JDK download for Windows. Now you can see here Java download circle, click on it. Now it shows that Java 18 and 17 are available. Here you can see there are different types of platforms: Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Click Windows, and then you can see here bin.exe file. Click on it, but here I have already downloaded it here in downloads, and let us double click on it. Right now Java SE Development Kit 18.0.2 is installing. Now we can go to the installation folder where it has been installed. Java JDK and then bin folder. Now you have to copy this location here and go to the environment variable. It's here, click on it. Now click environment variable. Here you can see path. Click edit and new. Click here new and paste here and OK. Now you have to go to the installation folder again, but right now you have to copy this location. Copy and go to the environment variable again. Click new and write down here capital Java underscore home, and here you can paste the location and click OK. OK and OK. Now we can see again in the command prompt whether it's working or not. Java underscore version. It again shows not recognized because we have to restart the computer. Now we can see we have restarted the computer. We can see now whether it is working or not. Go to the CMD. Now here you can write Java version. Now it shows that Java version 8.0.2 is has been installed, and another command we can use Java C version. Yes, again it shows 18.0.2. That means we have installed Java JDK successful. Now the second part is installation of IntelliJ IDEA. So let us start. Open your browser and write down here IntelliJ IDEA, and here you can click download. Here you can see two downloads, Ultimate and Community. Community is for Java Virtual Machine and Android development. We need to download this. I have already downloaded this in Downloads folder. Click here. Now this is the destination folder. You can change it, but I will keep it as it is. Click next. Here you have to choose the installation options. Here I will check this box, create desktop shortcut. Update context menu, check this box, create associations and update path variable, restart needed, check this box, and now click next and install. It will take some time to install. Now the installation has been completed. Click here finish, and it needs restart. I will restart it first. Here we have restarted the computer. Now double click on IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Here it asks for license agreement. Check this box and click continue. And now it asks for data sharing. Click here, don't send. Now the IntelliJ IDEA has been launched. Click here, new project. You can see here it's detecting JDK which we have installed. Here you can name the project. Let us name it first project. And check this box and create. Now it have created the first project with a sample file. Let us double click on it. You can see here the Java programming lines are created automatically here. We just have to run this by clicking this green button. Click here and run. It will build the program. Here we want to print this hello world. Now you can see the output is displayed here, hello world. This was all about how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA, and I hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.